So today I'll be showing you how to turn on active noise cancelling or how to enable it on your new AirPods 4. So keep in mind that you have to get the ones with active noise cancelling. There are actually two versions of the AirPods 4. They're the ones with active noise cancelling and the ones without. So make sure you check on the box. These ones are the ones with active noise cancellation. Now, if you have those ones, then all you have to do is open up the case and then go to settings and then launch the AirPods app on your iPhone. Once you do that, then you should see the option for noise cancellation. Now, if it's on transparency mode or adaptive, or even if all noise controls have been disabled, you can actually enable noise cancellation by simply tapping on the option. But then, of course, the AirPods have to be in your ear for this to work. So you can take them out of the case, put them in your ear, and then the option is going to be now enabled, as you can see. Now, I have to tell you that the active noise cancelling on this ones is not as good as the AirPods Pros, which have the silicone tip, but it works, okay? It's going to cancel some of the noise. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.